So you are looking for the best YouTube camera? Whether you are starting your first channel or just looking to upgrade your current camera, I got you guys. In today's video, I've rounded out what I think are the best YouTube cameras of 2021, even though there is more than one answer to this question. I think I'll help to the point for you guys to pick the best one that suits you and your content. And of course, to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these cameras, you can check out the links in the description below. First on the list, we have a small camera that is fully packed on the video aspect, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, and I have it listed as the best all-rounder. Canon is outshining the competition with a pocket PowerShot that is now better in low light and even way better for vlogging. It is still keeping the neat, rectangular pocket design of its brothers, but by adding more powerful components, Canon has stuck to a winning formula with the G7X Mark III. It measures 1.6 to 4.1 to 2.4 inches and weighs 10.7 ounces. It is thicker than a phone but won't have a problem sliding into your pocket. It comes in a black or silver finish with a black leather wrap. Material-wise, it is plastic and metal with a nice hand grip. The G7X III has a control ring around the lens, so you can use it as a shutter or aperture control, but at the same time, it can be used for other stuff like ISO adjustment, EV compensation, and zoom control. The touchscreen can tilt up and down and can face all the way forward for selfies, and it is crisp and clear. What makes Mark III better than his predecessors is that now it uses the new sensor to support faster readout and to add some more high-speed capture options. The killer feature is that it's heavily suited for video captures. It includes the option to live stream videos and especially YouTube streaming support built in. The resolution has been bumped to 4K with 30p or 1080 by 60p and 8 FPS burst shooting with autofocus. Battery-wise, it takes up to 235 shots before it bites the dust, but it also has a USB-C port for recharging purposes. Next, we have the Sony ZV-1. This is what most of the YouTubers refer as the ultimate one, and I have it placed as the best value thanks to the value it brings to the table for the price. Since vlogging is big nowadays, Sony launched ZV-1 with only vlogging in mind. But don't worry, since no one will tell you off for shooting photos with it, but it is not the best on that field. Rather, all the features are made for people who shoot videos. Measuring 4.15 to 2.36 to 1.7 inches and weighing 10.4 ounces, make it very small and light so you won't have to worry about carrying it around for days. There's also a flip-around screen that looks cool and a high-quality built-in microphone. Sadly, unlike most of the Sony series who are made with metal, the ZV-1 has a plastic body and it is not waterproof, so yeah, watch out so you guys don't vlog in a storm. The killer feature, like always something I can't stop mentioning, is the uncanny autofocus Sony has, and for sure the ZV-1 inherited it too. It will easily track even the moving objects with a single click. Face and eye detection is something crucial for vlogging, and oh boy, sure the ZV-1 does it perfectly. The Sony ZV-1 can film in up to 4K 25p and also the insertion of 24-70mm and an f of 1.8 to 2.8 lens, and the 1-inch sensor is what makes a beast out of the camera, especially for vlogging. As for the battery, it falls a bit short, but we can't whine for the price it comes and all the features it gives us. It takes 45 minutes of recording or 260 shots. But on the other hand, the good news is that the spares are super cheap. Moving forward, next on the list we have this Panasonic Lumix GH5M2, and I have it listed as the best feature-packed one since it can do so much besides being a 4K mirrorless camera. The Lumix GH5M2 is an upgraded version of the company's well-known video-focused cameras. Since it is an updated version, it offers even better video capabilities than its predecessors. Measuring 7.5 to 6 to 5.5 inches and weighing 1.6 pounds, pretty much it has the same shape. It comes with a magnesium alloy body and welter sealing, making it a bit splash and dust proof. It was a good decision from Panasonic to maintain the same design, like it puts all the major buttons in an easy reach for the user's fingers. The 3-inch screen is flexible and very angled, making it viable to face any direction, which is a super useful trait for vloggers and video doers. What I like the most is the OLED viewfinder that is really handy on sunny days. Under the hood, both sensor and image processor has received an upgrade. The sensor is a 20.3 megapixel 4/3 live MOS sensor, which is a great sensor for shooting under strong lighting condition. Thanks to the processor, the AF capabilities are upgraded too at a great rate. The AF system can run at 47 FPS when shooting 24p footage. At the same time, the processor also opened up the video shooting options. It can shut up to 4K 50 to 60p footage, making it usable for long shooting. It also includes live streaming options such as live broadcast over the web or either across Wi-Fi. The GH52 now also uses a more powerful battery that can easily handle 410 shots per charge. Next spot, we have the Fujifilm X-S10. You will enjoy creating great content for a mid-range price, and that's why I have it listed as best mid-range. Rocking a more compact and smaller body, also a simpler interface, the X-S10 marks quite the departure from the usual Fujifilm blueprint. Measuring 4.96 to 3.35 to 2.56 inches and weighing 1.03 pounds. It has a very solid feel, and all that thanks to the front grip. It's a small that delivers a great hold. The magnesium alloy build gives it a great premium look and feel. The rear screen flips and rotates easily, making it look cool at the same time. Especially the YouTubers and vloggers will praise the vari-angle touchscreen since it shoots 4K video at 30 FPS and Full HD at 240 FPS. The XS10 offers 8 FPS burst shooting, but it can increase to 20 FPS when switching to the electronic shutter without any crop or when 1.29x cropped at 30 FPS. The XS10 also has a new video feature that hasn't been seen before from the Fujifilm cameras. A count-up clock that shows the card capacity in hours and minutes when you are on standby mode. The most useful feature to opt for XS10 over less priced Fujifilm models is the IBIS system. It is a huge bonus for such a small camera, and it benefits both photo and video shooting. The Fujifilm X10 uses the same battery as the X-T30. This promises us up to 325 shots on a single charge. Now, last on the list, for you fellas that are a bit tight on a budget, I have the DJI Osmo Pocket, a camera that provides a lot for a really cheap price. I have it listed as the most affordable options. Once you get the chance to have a DJI Osmo in your hand, I'm sure you will have this sudden urge to start recording stuff even if you are not a fan of videos. It is a small and flexible camera that measures 1.45 to 1.13 to 4.76 inches, and if you think it is small, well, it is even tinier in real life. As you can see, the name isn't for nothing. You can keep it in a pocket or just put it in the smallest spots. The ability to turn the camera in any direction makes it the ultimate tool for video doers. The small touchscreen on the DJI Osmo is very responsive and fun to use. It handles important settings like changing between camera modes. And you can easily switch in and out of selfie mode by pressing one single button, making it really handy for vloggers. Here comes the best part. The specs the Osmo Pocket employs under the hood are just simply out of the world. Considering the size, it can record 4K video up to 30p or 1080p 60p. The sensor in DJI Osmo has a size of 1 to 2.3 cmOS and is 12 megapixels. The best way to find out regarding this is that it pretty much has the same sensor you can find in iPhone X. Battery-wise, it takes Osmo 73 minutes to charge and lasts up to 140 minutes when shooting 1080p videos. Putting all these features together, I can't help but say that DJI Osmo Pocket is a steal for the price. As we came to the bottom of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop your comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And until the next video, as you guys already know, stay safe, take care, and peace out.